Ano po mga lods? Ginagang ugama o kalampay. Natigla ng ulana. Sira mo ng palanaw. Alas puros babae o. Mga pakaiba yan. Alas puro babae. Nakunay rin lalaki. Si Ram. Good day, adults. I'm cooking a little shrimp, which we call here in Bicol and Bunbon, kalampay, agama. I think this all female and gender. That's the like a pig. That's all. That's good. I put I just send it, but I put just cooking oil on that. Smells good. That's all female. I think. Okay. The female is this. That one. This is not a female. That is not a female or male. It's a male. This one is a male. But more on that. That's female. That's more on pot. I just stop the whatever. That's not a male. This is a male. That's a female. This is not a male and not a female. This is a male. That's a triangle part. That's the main part. The more part is the female. That's all. I can say anything. Keep safe, stay healthy, eat well. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. Smells good. Ay na, ada po mga gudlo. Yan o, alas puro babae o. Babae yan. Alas puro mga sige. Alangan yung babae, alangan yung lalaki. Ang lalaki dyan. Yan yung orchid ng lalaki o. Yan o mga panahon lods. Magkakaroon mo na ito niya. Panahon sa rin. Pagbahin na ako sa. Ingat po mga panahon lods. Si Ram.